Okay, so of course, if this is a fundraising activity, we would like to ask also who will be the beneficiaries of this Katipunan Fund Drive, organized by Ateneo Grade 10 Rodriguez.
So like stated po kanina, the KFB has partnered with Shines. An example po of this will be the people of Boso-Boso Antipolo and the people of Sapampala, Bulacan. In CSIP po, we are taught that we should always help out the people that need help. And another example po would be the calamity victims. Last year po, there were a lot of thunderstorms and climate changes. So the donations and the money that was paid by the KFB were given to all of those people. And of course, our Jesuit missionaries.
Thank you, RJ. So, okay, next, of course, this is a fundraising activity, so we need a source of funds. So, we are going to organize a concert. Is that correct? So, this is a purely fundraising activity from scratch, which our boys organized. They're encouraged by the school to write letters, get sponsors. So, both artists were also very generous enough to have a reduced rate because this is a fundraising. So, thank you so much, our artists, for being so kind. Okay, so can you discuss who our artists will be for this event?
So, beside me, of course, we'll have Telista as one of the performing acts. Then next, we'll have, who can't be with us today is Abby. And then lastly, for our band, will be Sa Pistola. And then we will have two student bands performing before our main artists. They are Lucy. They are student bands formed in Ateneo. And lastly, for the last portion of the event, we'll have a DJ that will produce music for the students to have fun after the concert.
So, okay, so what sets this Katipunan Fund Drive apart from other events that apart from having wonderful artists, they will also have a rave party after. So, it's going to be great. We are inviting all the people who want to purchase the tickets, which, by the way, can we maybe know the price of the tickets?
So our initial price for the regular tickets will be 700 pesos. And then for the VIP tickets will be 1,000 pesos. The perks of the VIP tickets will be posted on the Instagram account next week.
Okay, so this is actually an open event. So we are inviting everyone to purchase the tickets for this fundraising activity. This is not just for Ateneans. This is open to everyone. So, of course, RJ, what is the age bracket? Sabi naman nila may age bracket daw yung attendees. But of course, any age is allowed to attend. But ano yung preferred age ninyo ng attendees?
Our target market will be students or people at the age of 13 to 21. This is, of course, since it's a rave, we wouldn't want people to get hurt. And since we want the younger generations then to watch and see the Filipino artists perform, since a lot of our younger generations are more focused on the American side of things. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, by the way, Adi would really like to attend. Unfortunately, he is an endorser of KFC. So, since this is Kenny Rogers, the manager had to beg off kasi it's not allowed. So, St. Kislola meantime has another event in Pampanga. So, but thank you, Calista, for being here, engaging the event with us. Okay, so it's time for our Q&A portion.